Hello everyone, it's Chris from 80s 90s Vlogs. As you can see, I've got the Nora, the little Mark III Astra behind me. Went for MOT on Thursday. One of the brake pipes got a little tiny pinhole in it while I was testing it on the brake rollers. So I'm currently halfway through changing the brake pipes on it. I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a tip when making new brake pipes and trying to bend them to shape. As you can see, I've got the old brake pipe clamped in the vise. The new brake pipe offered up to it and started doing my bends and cable tying it in place just to hold it. Just bend it to shape. Stick your cable tie on, that holds it, and then you do your next bend. So on and so on. Just makes it a lot easier, and you get much nicer, neater bends, and it's more like the original factory pipe. And as you can see, now that I've bent it all to shape, cable tied it, just to hold it. Just makes it a lot easier. Right, it's now 3:10 in the morning. All the brake pipes are on, bled up nicely. Took it for a quick test drive around the yard. Brakes work better than they ever have since I got in the car. So try and get it booked in for a retest as soon as possible, and then this would be my daily for a bit. Also went to a scrapyard yesterday as well. First choice car spares in Accrington. I was going to film it, but I had like way too many tools with me. Don't really have any free hands, but I'll show you what I bought from there. Right, so from the Scrapyard, I've got two of the weather seal strips that run along the bottom of the doors. Oh, by the way, it's all Mark III cab bits. Rubber's coming away a bit on mine. These were pretty mint, so I was like, yeah, I might as well have them. I've also got a very decent condition pair of facelift headlights. A 2 litre 8 valve airbox with the fuel meter. That's a bit of the engine bay loom. Main reason I got that is the car I stripped it out of was a GLS, so it's already like pre-wired for the headlamp washers, which I want to fit to mine eventually. Also got both front window motors, regulators. Got two of them. There's that one. There we go. Got lots of them in. Two facelift door wounds as well, again out of GLS. Main reason I got them is so I can put heated mirrors in mine, or heated and electric moving mirrors. Window switches, that's from my girlfriend's dad's car. He's also got hardware. Heater motor, don't know if that works, but it's not seized, so worth picking up. Washer pump. Quark, there's a cowling for the fan, a couple of bits of trim, not quite white, don't even know how I picked that up, couple of nuts, switches, got an interior mirror as well because all the glue's like coming out the bottom of mine, which is an old, pretty common problem on cabs. Oh yeah, the boot carpet as well, mine's pretty minging. And electric aerial as well, which I've stripped, and all the circuit boards are a bit buggered, but I might go try and fix that. I'm going to go with fixing that, see what I can do with it. I was also rooting around the fuse box on a couple of relays and that, because they're always just handy to have. While I was in there, I found that, which is a brand new GM sealed bag with a 20 amp fusing. So yeah, didn't even know you could buy like GM fuses. That's quite mad. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Yeah, see you again soon.